Hi, I'm Linda Miller, CEO and founder of PDT, Paradise Dental Technologies. Why dispose of your instruments before you have to? PDT's long-lasting edges can be resharpened to extend their life. Better for the environment and better for your budget. Fast, easy, accurate sharpening to the factory edge with the Ultimate Edge Transformation Kit is so easy, my daughter started sharpening at 5 years old. All you do is stop, rest, and glide. With sharp instruments, you can apply less pressure, pop off calculus. Dull instruments will burnish calculus and are hard on both you and your patients. The Ultimate Edge Kit by PDT makes it so nice that you can sharpen in your own office when you need to. Find out more at pdtdental.com.